Ito na yung order namin.
Oh, wait lang.
Tapos may stewarding kami. Sana masayod. Kasi mango lime to. Isa-sharon na natin ang mga natira.
Good at sports. He is not very good at cooking.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. Show mo yan, bebe.
Did you make that for Dad?
Hey guys, magandang umaga sa inyo. Parang feeling ko ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog. Kasi nitong mga nakaraan, nagpapahinga lang kami din ni Ivan. Medyo na-sprain yung paa ko sa work and yung left foot ko. Na-tisod ako sa may cords doon. Pero mild sprain lang naman. So buti na lang. So hopefully next week okay na siya.
Okay, hi guys, we're going to Nando's, and it's how many minutes away from there?
Maybe 20 minutes.
It's 20 minutes. And and it's how many degrees now?
15.
It's 15. It's how many degrees, Mom?
15 degrees.
Yeah, it's 15 degrees. And bye!
So ayun, maaga kaming magse-celebrate today ng Father's Day. Gawa ng medyo busy kami ngayon sa work. So, tsaka baka madaming tao bukas sa mga kainan. Punta tayo sa Nando's. Sasamahan nyo kami today sa pag-celebrate. Simpleng celebration lang naman sa Father's Day.
Nancy?
Kita na namin yung Nando's. Malapit na kami. Ito na siya. Yay daw, sabi ni Kian. Here you go. Mukhang di naman sobrang daming tao. Ayan siya. Ito yung nag-iisang branch dito sa Calgary, guys. Gutom na kami lalo. Amoy na amoy. Dito sa labas pa lang. Amoy
I
balbak.
want to vlog.
Oh, here.
Okay. Is it on?
It is on, yeah.
Okay, hi guys, what are you waiting for?
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat! Okay, hi guys, what are you waiting for?
Ano yan? Kumain na.
Nagpunta po tayo dati dito.
Hindi ko nga alam. Nakalimutan ko na. O sige, tara. Hanap na tayo. Ito na yung menu.
What?
Try na namin dito. Before. Masarap yung may sauce. Nakalimutan ko anong sauce yun. Baka yung sharing platter yung kukuhanin namin. Nabawasan na yung tao. Order na tayo. Dito sa harap mag-order eh.
That's my mother-in-law. Family platter, yeah. Do you have the
Perry Tamer.
carrot tamer? It's only here.
Mommy?
What do you think?
Splish,
Lemon
splash,
in her.
splish. Mommy, splish, splash, splish, splash.
4 times
In the
fewer.
car wash, car wash.
Ano kaya? Mango lime or?
Mango lime. 3 sides, 2 coleslaw and 1 spice fries.
Where's the pen?
Yeah, 2 of them. And then spice
Sa online kasi may Perry Tamer na sauce and ang sarap nun. Pero dito wala daw. Yun natin.
1 shareable and or 2 small kaya.
Anong two small?
Yung sa rice daw.
1 shareable.
1 shareable. Yes.
Yeah. That's right.
That's everything.
Any dessert or
Dessert kaya.
Dessert.
we have nachos like in the back side?
Yeah. Chocolate cake?
Sige.
Sige. Gusto niya yun eh.
Any drink?
No.
Your total will be $79.
It makes me yummy.
So, ito yung namin order. Pati yung
Why it's flickering?
Yeah, I don't know. Those are the active orders. So, binayad namin using the gift card.
Pay the card with the rest para...
Sa bagay, intact pa rin na 25. Nauna nang kumain si Kian. Gutom na. Kasi may bibigay nila is ito, garlic bread una. Ayan. Hi, Mamsi. Ma. Hindi pa masyadong crowded today. Baka dinner or bukas, madami na dito.
Which one?
Ito na yung order namin.
Wait lang ha.
Is it not sweet?
May skewer, coleslaw, chicken, whole chicken, rice. Rice is life, syempre. May coleslaw pa daw na dadating. Tsaka yung cake ni Kian. Chocolate cake. Kain na na!
Mana?
But how can I get? In my...
Galit-galit muna. Kuha na tayong rice. Kahit si Kian gutom na eh.
Galing eh. Dito ko na lang sa gitna yan so that daddy can eat half.
Kasama, 3 large sides. It's... Daddy cannot eat, bebe. Dito ka na lang. Ang gulo ni Kian eh. Hindi kami makakain. Bawa naman yung daddy. Nasa kanya daw yun. Yun na lang sa'yo. Yung plato. Hatay.
Gusto naman niya, sos. Tigisa pala tayo eh.
Oo nga. Isa-isa nga. Ay, anong mas gusto mo ito? Yan. Ano, chicken breast. Nano ma?
Mommy,
Eto.
I know, Mommy. Chicken.
May sauce na kasama. Kinukuha ko doon.
Chicken.
Sa'yo na yung buo. Hati kami ni Ayuban. Ano to, chicken? Chicken.
Parang chicken
skewer.
chop.
Tig-isa-isa nga kami. Whole chicken eh. Isang buo. Ayun o. Hati na lang tayo dito, han.
Sige, hati.
Dry yung ano eh. Dry yung chicken. Ayan, kunin ko na lang yung breast mo, ha?
Sige.
Kasi breast yung kay Ivan. Kawawa naman. Tapos may skewer din kami. Sana masarap. Kasi mango lime to.
That might not help.
Good.
Mommy, that might not help.
Why? You want wet wipes?
I want what to
O, taka lang, ha?
Lemon.
Coleslaw. Kain muna tayo, guys. Galit-galit muna. Sarap, no? Ayun din si Kian eh. Pagbago yung chicken breast is okay pa. Ayun si Kian. Hindi pa dry. Pero kapag mamaya, dry na. Lagyan po konting amhang.
Sarap nga po, no? Sarap din yung sauce.
Ito si Mamsi. Ma.
You like it?
Sakto ko ng 4.
Tapos sakto. Sarap din.
Sarap din ano. Masarap nga yung mga skewer nila dito. Buti dito na lang kami kumain. Kasi birthday ni Ivan next week eh. Sabi niya something light na lang daw muna. Kasi sunod-sunod. Dumating na yung cake ni Kian. Ayan, oh, dessert time. Sarap ba?
It was so yummy, yeah.
I know.
How do you find it? How do you like it?
Good.
Sarap, it's good.
Dark chocolate.
Yay, yay.
Sobrang busog na. Sob na sob. Nanghihingi kami kay Kian ng chocolate cake. Ayaw niya. Damot. Tapos sabi ng babae, nilagyan daw ng extra whipped cream. Ayun o. Mag-enjoy yung batang makulit.
10 cake cookies. 10.
Mapait-pait daw eh, sabi ni Mom.
Blue cake.
Ayun, simpleng celebration lang ng Father's Day. Happy Father's Day din sa daddy ko. Daddy, thank you. Thank you for everything. For being a good provider and good father sa amin. Happy Father's Day din sa father-in-law ko sa Winnipeg. Pagaling po kayo, Daddy. Sorry na putol. Nanghingi kasi kami ng extra container. Isa-sharon na natin ang mga natira. Happy Father's Day din kay sa kuya ko. Kuya Miko, Happy Father's Day. Love and miss you. And Happy Father's Day din kay Kuya Brian, yung kuya ni Ivan. Kuya, thank you and Happy Father's Day. And sana na-enjoy nyo rin yung celebration nyo ng Father's Day. And wag nating ipakita lang sa mismong Father's Day yung love natin sa ating mga natatanging mga tatay. Dahil di naman natin alam hanggang kailan ang buhay natin, di ba? Ayun, and thank you for watching this vlog. Sana na-enjoy nyo as much as na-enjoy namin yung pagkain namin ngayon. Sobrang busog, sobrang sulit talaga lagi dito sa Nando's.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa bahay. Actually, may ginawa si Nakian from school. Nakalimutan ko. Sobrang excited ko pagkakita dun sa bag niya. So, hindi na surprise to. Alam na ni Iba. So, may gift sila. Pero hindi pa namin in-open.
Hi, guys, you're home.
Do you have something for Dad?
You gonna give it to Dad?
Lagay mo muna dito yan.
I'll give it to Dad. Give.
Ito yung show mo, show.
Wow.
Is that for Daddy?
That for
Yan,
Dad?
from school. I'll give mo kay Daddy. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you. Wow. Buksan natin. Ayun. He
Yung
likes to eat broccoli. 37
Oh my
years
God,
old.
ito rin.
And likes to drink more. He's good at sports. He is not very good at cooking. He is still play toys. Wow. Thank you. Love you. Kiss that kiss.
Yay! No Mother's Day is meron din ako. Ayos nga eh. Pinapagawan sila
Oh,
sa
wow. What's
school.
this?
Nakaka-touch din naman. So, meron pang isa. May card din sa loob. May something.
May ano rin. Okay. Din na rin niya.
Oh!
Wow! Thank you, Aki.
Yay! Okay. Clay.
Wow! What's this? Wow!
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow!
Oh, wow. That's so nice.
Daddy.
Show mo kiyan, bebe.
Did you make that for Dad?
Show mo dito, anak ko.
Wow! Oh, show to the camera. Show.
Ang ganda.
Oh, you make that for Dad. Glass. Ang ganda.
At saka yan dun sa patinginhan ko.
Wow.
Dinrawing ni Kian si Ivan. Ayos
It gets flat like the glass. Ang galing.
Nice.
May
And
sabitan.
meron din ako sulat kay...
Wow, thank you.
Hindi kasi kami mapagbili ng gift kasi pag may gusto kami, bibilin naman namin. And makain lang kami. Kakain lang kami. So, ayun. Huwag mo nang basahin.
Wow, thank you.
Ayun, nakalimutan ko lang din padalhan ng letter si daddy ko tsaka yung father-in-law ko. Pero yung Mother's Day, laging hindi nakakalimutan. So, nakalimutan ko lang. Pero, kukol naman namin sila both. Ayun, sana na-enjoy niyo yung video namin today. Yung Father's Day special natin.
Expensive.
Ayun. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa pagsa-celebrate ng kanya-kanyang
Ay, tita.
celebrations ninyo. And see you in our next vlog. Bye!